Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Happy New Month to everyone. Today is 1st of July 2025, and here we're going to be trading the volatility 10 index rise and fall, and we're using the smart trader. We're using the smart trader interface. So actually we're going to be using a timer, just like the last strategy, but we're going to be observing the market for 3 minutes before we place our trade, and we're going to be using the one movement as well. So first thing you're going to do is if in your Windows, I'm using Windows 10 precisely, you can do this on Windows 11 as well. We're going to be using a free timer. So on the search button, type clock. So you're going to see it right there, then right click on it and click on pin to start. Because I've already pinned to start, I'm saying on pin right there. So once you pin to start, click on your Windows menu on the desktop. You're going to see it right there. Then click on the clock. It's going to open. Because I minimize it, it's a little smaller, but normally it's going to open widely like this. So what you're going to do is to edit any of this, because it might be in a different time by default. So you can see lots of time right there. So but I want to set it to 3 minutes. Just click on it. Set this to 3 minutes, move this 3 minutes, 3 minutes, then save. Then you can push it a little bit smaller here, then click here, keep on top, then click here. So we're going to be observing the market for 3 minutes. So I'm going to click on start right here. So we're observing this movement, the movement trend of this right there. So if it's pushing right up for 3 minutes and it's still up, once the timer stops, we're going to click on fall. So if it's down for 3 minutes and it's down once the timer stops, we're going to click on rise, and we're going to be selling at market before the trade ends. We're going to be selling at market before the trade ends. So set the durations to 5 minutes. Then watch this timer. Watch it. After this timer stops, you can reset again back to 3 minutes, then observe again. So the reason why we're using the timer is a volatility 10 index movement, like the upward and the downward movement is always, you can actually predict the market within 3 minutes. So you can watch the market trends, if there's going to be a bull run or not, you're going to know within 3 minutes. So it's pushing down. So if the timer ends there, remember we click on rise, and we still have about 50 something seconds left. So we have few seconds left. So the timer has ended, so we're going to reset it. So we're going to wait, it's down, so we're going to click on rise, click on view right there. So we're gonna sell at market once we're in profit here. We profit, but we want more profit right here. We're not gonna wait till the time counts. So we sold at market at 4.71 there. Like I said earlier, don't wait for the time to elapse before you sell at market. So you can go on and on and on. Make sure you watch carefully before you place your trade. Make sure you watch carefully before you place your trade. Watch, analyze the market for 3 minutes. If it's downward movement, you click on rise. If it's upward movement, you're watching the warm movement. If it's upward movement, you click on fall, and you sell at market immediately when you're in profit. So that's the trick. So the buy sell indicator right there is at work. You can see you can use it to trade your synthetic indices, your volatility, your forex as well, forex pairs, euro USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, GBP, USD, and all that. It works on Deriv and other forex broker platforms that support MT5, and we're still giving it away for free. And our Toss Paper bot and Pips Paper bot as well, they're still available and effective. To order the bots, check the video description on YouTube. The steps are right there in the video description on YouTube. We're also giving away free gift as well when you order any of our bots. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So these are the instructions to follow to get the indicator for free. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account. So sign up for a free trading account using this link in the video description on YouTube. Then subscribe to all these channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and that's the third channel. So once you sign up, send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator and the last 3 digits of your new account. So once we verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you. And for those who already have a trading account, there's a link to order the indicator. It's just $12. For those who want to purchase the Pips Super bot, it's automated. As a link to order it. It's 7.99 USD. The Toss Paper bot as well. They both work on Deriv and they're automated. The Toss Paper bot is 9.99 USD. For those who don't have a trading account yet, there's a link to register for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the second channel, and that's the third channel. And there are other infos as well that might be useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels. Share the video, subscribe, like, comment. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.